Control ceiling fans and fireplaces from your smartphone. Bond turns any remote-controlled fan or fireplace smart in seconds. Activate the fan, control fan speeds, and switch on lights all from your iPhone, Android phone, tablet, Amazon Echo, or Google Home Assistant. With Bond, you'll be able to use these smart devices to do whatever your remote control could do. Alexa and Google enabled. This device is certified by Amazon and Google to work with Alexa and the Google Home Assistant. Control your ceiling fan with voice commands. You'll never need to reach for the light switch or the remote again. Controlling a ceiling fan and fireplace has never been easier. Control up to 6 ceiling fans. A single Bond can control up to 6 ceiling fans from one central location. The Bond can record and transmit RF, radio frequency, as well as IR, infrared, signals, so it will work regardless of what kind of remote you have. The area range is about 2,500 square foot, so you'll be able to control fans in other rooms or on another floor. No installation needed, setup is extremely quick and easy. Simply plug in the Bond device, download the app to your phone, point your fan remote at the Bond, and you're done. All of the functions on your remote including fan speed, light dimmer settings, and timer using IFT can now be controlled via the Bond. Smart home functionality without breaking the bank. Everybody wants devices and appliances with smart home functionality, but many of these products are extremely expensive. With Bond, you can make your old appliances smart without replacing them. Our software currently supports ceiling fans and electric and gas fireplaces, but updates are on their way for A/C units, garage doors, and motorized shades.
Thanks for watching JP Store. Please do subscribe, like, share,